What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the paint on your vehicles. Some of you guys asked me, Eddie, you know, I got these little scratches, these little swirls on there. How in the heck do you get them out? Because you notice I don't have any on my truck. Well, today we have Candy Razor slash detailer slash, he's probably going to blow the motor on this thing. Slash, yeah, he bought a very expensive gasser. Why did you choose an F-150 gasser?
Better for daily driving.
F-150 had enough, and he chose a gasser.
It tows perfectly fine for what I need for my blown up razor.
I was going to say, I don't think you really need any towing.
I don't have a hitch in the back anymore.
He doesn't have no hitch. He doesn't really tow anything. So he picked a Ford gasser. Is that what this is? The Ford F1 gasser?
F-150 gasser.
F-150.
It's pretty quick, though. Even you have to admit.
It's not bad, you know, until I put like a 50-pound block in the back and
Yeah.
I was towing a Tonka trailer.
Trailer than your boat. Alright. I need.
First of all, we forgot to say hi to G. G, how you doing? Say hi to YouTube.
What's going on, guys?
You remember him, Mr. Ram.
My Ford is gonna ram through him.
You're what?
Ford is gonna ram through him.
Yeah. This Gucci.
Inside my trailer and tow you the rest of the way there. Yeah.
So guys, you guys know black cars are just horrible. I mean, they look good when they're clean, but as soon as you put a towel or anything on them, they get scratched instantly. So he's doing a paint correction on his truck. He's been here since last night. He's been doing this for, I'd say, I don't know, what are you on, like the 10-hour, 12-hour mark?
10-hour mark.
10-hour marker.
10 hours like working.
Physical work, okay, that's not bad. And the worst part, you're doing all this for free.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll play myself.
That's good. Okay. First things first, what kind of a buffer are you using there?
This is called a Rupes.
Rupes.
Straight from Italy.
Is that the Bigfoot?
This is the mini. Bigfoot mini. Bigfoot mini. It's
Oh.
a 12.
So this is the
That's a
Bigfoot?
Bigfoot. That's a 15-inch with a 5-inch backing plate.
Oh, okay.
I use that for the majority of the truck to carry the big spots. But like for the pillars like this, it's mandatory.
Oh,
You
okay.
can do it with that. I wouldn't.
So where is the scratches? Do we have a before and after, or did you already finish
You're a
the
little
truck?
late, so I mean.
Oh, sorry,
I haven't
guys.
polished this part. This is a
Okay.
big part of everyone's car. Let me pull out my
Can't
light.
really, hey,
second.
how you guys doing? Can't really see any scratches on here. There we are, I can see it. So you guys see all those swirls right there? Did you do this side?
No, I haven't done any of these.
Wow, okay, so this whole truck looked like this.
When I shut
and-
this light off, bam, it's like brand new again.
so that's what you do. You just use a flashlight?
No, so this light is called the Rupes swirl finding pen. And-
Swirl finding pen.
Yup, because when you turn it on, it magically shows all the swirls.
Oh, just don't use the pen.
Oh.
All right, guys, he's going to do this panel right here and show you guys, I guess, the process, I should say. Or what is the process? Obviously, you got to have a buffer.
So you clay bar the entire car after you wash it. Then you have to strip down all your old wax. You probably want to use like a soap that strips wax, not dish soap. But then after you clay bar it, the panels are prepped. So you have to use the detail spray, clean it all up, make sure there's no dust on it. Get your polisher, find the right combination.
What kind of pad are you using?
This pad is a Meguiar's 3-inch cutting pad, microfiber. It's really well for cutting. So for heavier scratches, like on this black truck, it's a good cutting part.
So what kind of product are you using there?
Don't worry about it.
We need to see. Let's see. Thinks it's like some secret. Where's it at?
Shine Supply.
Oh, flat top, huh?
Flat top.
Flat top. Ow, ow, you shock me, man.
Electrical, dude.
Jeez.
Very highest status.
All right, so what is the process here and how are you taking these swirls out? You've clayed it, you've cleaned it, now what?
You spit on it,
Okay,
rub it in a little bit,
all right,
warm it up. Then you grab your pad.
okay.
All right, so let's say,
Don't spit on it.
you could. Just kidding. Okay, so see these swirls? They're
Oh,
pretty
yeah.
heavy.
Pretty dang heavy.
There's some deep scratches in there too, I noticed.
I don't think that's coming out.
Eh.
I don't think so.
So I'm gonna use a microfiber pad because it cuts a lot heavier than like a normal traditional foam pad. These are harder to work with, but they do a lot more damage. So you gotta be careful too with them.
Oh, okay.
Then Shine Supply flat top.
Bam.
It's a compound, not a polish.
Okay.
So you put 4 little dots, and you want to crack your door open a little bit, just so you don't hit this side too while you're at it. It should be good. I mean, I'll hit it a little bit, nothing crazy. Dab it on.
Dab, dab, dab. Little tap, tap, tap.
I'm gonna work around this.
A little tap, tap, tap it.
We'll tap it. Speed 1.
Tap it in. Just tap it.
Run it in a little bit.
Woo!
Higher speed like 4.5.
Oh. High horsepower. Here we go. Here we go.
Want to slowly work it in.
Work it. Just tap it in. Little tap, tap, tap it.
You want to overlap your first line by 50%. And now you want to cross hatch it. Go back up.
So overlap and cross hatch. All right, sounds good enough to me.
Like 4 passes. First cut shouldn't be too bad.
So after you do this and you're done, do you have to wax it, or is that like a wax also, or no?
Oh no, you have to wax this after.
Oh, you have to wax it.
You're leaving your paint so bare that even this little microfiber soft towel will scratch it no problem.
Oh, okay.
You saw, you hit my hood and you scratched it.
I did smash this hood, guys, on purpose when I found out you bought a gasser. All right, let's see here. Let's do the before and the after.
That came out really good actually for a first cut.
So that's your before. Not bad. I see a little bit though.
So those little fine scratches come from the microfiber pad. So after this, I'm gonna use a finishing pad, clean it all up. It will take out those little.
So we gotta use a finishing pad then after.
These aren't swirls. These are called micro haze. That is caused by the microfiber pad. These are swirls. Those are bad.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
So I was shocked that there's these.
Okay.
I mean, every deep scratch is gone.
Well, let's see what it looks like with the finishing pad, shall we? What pad do you have on there now?
White foam pad from Adam's Polishes.
Ooh, that looks a little fancy pad there. I like that.
Yeah. With classic cut.
Ooh, the classic cut. Before we had what? Fat cut?
Flat top.
Flat top.
I say heavy compound.
Flat top.
This is a high-tech compound.
Ooh, high tech. Okay.
It needs to mixture with polish and compound. So this will cut out the little swirls I left behind, but also leave behind a nice polish.
Oh, really? Well, let's see.
Put 4 dots. Wear it in a little bit. You can do both sides at the same time with polish. Focus on one side at a time now.
Oh, I hear that horsepower going up.
I'm gonna slow down like 3.
Why?
Softer.
3? Go big or go home. Full throttle. Hammer it. Just hammer it.
I'll hammer it on your truck.
Oh my goodness.
Should be good.
All right, let's see what the survey says.
Survey says.
Well, we gotta get the magic Roots light.
No. We'll just use this.
Damn.
It's definitely shiny.
That's shiny, all right. Yeah. Wow. Well, hey there.
That is almost perfect.
It's almost perfect.
So guys, I'm happy with these results. You can always recut and get the little finer scratches, the deeper ones. Because it's black, honestly, these swirls will come back, no matter how careful you are. This is about like 95 to, what would you say? This is pretty close to 100.
You're pretty close, yeah, to 100%. I mean, it was really, really bad. Let me see this side.
I can always redo
like,
the cut.
It's like glass. I mean, compared to like, I wish over here you did the hood, but
I already did the hood.
yeah, the hood was horrific. I mean, this thing, it was really bad.
Oh, here, I have an idea.
And also, this thing is brand new from the dealer. I mean, literally has no miles on it.
150 miles on a mile or something?
Yeah, and it's like the paint looked destroyed. Like the swirls, the like no shine. It looked all scratched up. It was just horrible.
Car and you want to paint correct it, don't let the dealership wash it. Tell them to leave it dirty for you, and then you just wash it with like water, and then have someone paint correct it for you.
You don't trust the dealership, G?
No, not at
I
all.
specifically asked for this truck, and I saw it was black. I was like, do not wash it. Just get the paperwork ready. I'll come sign and pick up my truck, and I'll go home and do it myself.
Damn.
Very simple. Don't
It's
let
like
them
that.
Don't let them do it.
Look at the dirty Max. So look at the shine.
Hand corrected by yours truly.
Look at that.
We had to repolish this thing a little bit.
Yeah, this thing has not been polished. I'd say in about 2 years, 3 years.
Not only that, like you were like the first paint correction I've ever done, like what, 3 years ago?
Yeah.
So I was kind of a rookie. I didn't know how to take out the micro haze. Now we do. So we're good.
So looks like, guys, the next project for Old Dirty over here.
Dirty.
We're going to do a little polishing to get her shiny. And also, guys, you know, I want to start getting some stuff painted on this. So if there's anybody out there in the San Diego area that knows a good painter, and I'm talking good painter.
I looked too for my razor.
Yeah, we've looked everywhere. I don't trust anybody, and everybody that I've seen that I've painted, what I hate about, you know, people that paint stuff is when they paint like the mirrors or the grill, because I want to get this color matched. When you walk up to it, it doesn't match. You can see like the orange peel. You can see it wasn't buffed out. You can see it's not a clean paint job, you know, like this. I mean, I need to find a good painter, and I don't know of a good painter. So if there is anybody out there that does know a good painter, put it down in the description for me, or you can DM me on Instagram and let me know, please, because I need a good painter. Because, I mean, look at this. We polished my helmet here. As you guys know, these things get, you know, pretty sandblasted really, really bad up here, where, you know, it's dull. And, well, you know, got to look good. We're going out to the desert, so he polished this thing, and I must say,
that was a quick polish, too.
Look at that. Yeah, this is pretty quick. It wasn't too bad. I keep it pretty clean and always wipe it now. But this thing turned out amazing. And it's just shiny. There's no more dullness to it from the sand. So I'm really happy with this. If you guys are wondering where Candy is, well, I threw her outside. He's like, oh, no, I can't keep her outside. I'm like, well, why? What's going to happen to it? How much worse can it get? It's blown up already. Let me know if you guys also want me to do some car reviews. I'm looking to add some more content on the channel, you know, more truck, more desert, stuff that you guys are interested in. So if you guys are interested in other vehicles, I will do reviews on it for you. Leave down in the comment section. Or if you guys want me to stick with just more of the off-road, truck, and desert stuff that I have on the channel. So thank you guys for watching that video. If you guys have any more detailed questions about, you know, stuff like this, you can let Candy, aka Nick, know. I don't know too much about the detailing. He does all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.